Hello everyone. If you get something went on wrong on the promotional page on Instagram, then this video is for you. Let's get started. Now first you have to check your Wi-Fi, and for that you need to scroll down your control status and make sure you enable the Wi-Fi. The next step is opening up the Instagram app. Tap on your profile and that will lead to your profile page, and then just select the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then go to account center. Then you can see the option of sharing across files. Just tap on it. Here you can see both your profiles where you can connect Facebook and Instagram. So connect the Facebook with Instagram app. Now enable the options of sharing the Facebook story as well as your Facebook post, leading to further process of sharing the Facebook and Instagram page, which will lead to this page. Now next is going to your Instagram app and tapping on your profile again. Go to account center and you can see the option of logging in with accounts. So just tap on it and you need to select the option of allowing all accounts to log into each other. And there you are. After this three process, your problem will be solved on your Instagram. Thanks for watching.